So let me go with the problem number 3 right here. Kiran traveled 3x kilometer on by walk. So 3x kilometer on by walk, 5y kilometer by cycle, 14 kilometer by bus. The total distance covered by Kiran by an algebraic expression is. So we need to only find the algebraic expression. We have to write the algebraic expression. So let us check out here. So he is going to travel in 3 different ways. So first is 3x kilometer by walk, right, and then 5y kilometer by cycle, right, and 14 kilometer by bus, right. The total distance, right, covered by Kiran is, so just sum, that's what you need to go with the sum, that is 3x plus 5y plus 14, so kilometer, right. So option A, C is the right one, 3x plus 5y plus 14, right. Option C is the right one.